So here's a modification to an RV that I think just needs to be done. So I've already started it, but right above the microwave there's this panel, and there's nothing behind the panel, just airspace. So I've already taken out the panel, and what I plan on doing is installing a shelf right inside of here. It'll be right above the microwave. And so to do that, I'll probably have to take out the microwave, install a couple of shelf brackets on each side, and then install the shelf, and then replace the microwave. So it should be pretty easy. So the first thing you do is, there's 4 screws, and we just need to remove those screws, and then remove the microwave. And so the microwave probably just pulls straight out, and it's probably going to be plugged in. It's just a plug-in, I'm hoping. I doubt they'd have a hard wire on it. And it is plugged in, however, it's plugged in over here. That was easy. Okay, so that's going to be an easy fix. So this is what we're working with. We just need to put like a brace all the way across on each side for a shelf, and then attach the shelf to the brace, and then you'll have your shelf. So the next step is to put the I don't know what you call this, the side the side piece. And I've measured it so that it'll fit right in there. And this here's a solid piece of MDF. And then I'm going to measure down to the appropriate distance from the ceiling. And then I'm going to glue it and then screw it. I have some nail guns and some staple guns, but I really don't want to crack it out right now. So I think this will work just as fine. And I'll do the same on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to mark it down about 8.5 inches, because that's what I've determined that it should be. So that's the 8.5 inch mark. I'll do the same on all 4 corners. Okay, add a little glue. So now we will set it right into place. It should fit right in there. Very snug, how about that? That's actually about as snug as you want it right there. Okay, pretty close. Away from beneath. Perfect. Okay, so I've got the area ready for the shelf. And for the shelf, what I did, I had this old TV turntable that we used to have my 25-inch colored TV sitting on, and it's like a Lazy Susan type thing. Well, those really aren't used anymore, so I decided to repurpose the wood on that. And I notched the corners 3/4 inch on 3 of the sides, and it should fit right in there. Let's take a look. Got to twist it in there. There. Fits like a glove. There we have it. And the edge here sits proud of the shelf. Kind of helps keep things in. And this is what it looks like from the microwave compartment. So there we go. The only thing it doesn't have is a door, so I'm not too worried about that. We'll probably put maybe paper plates or napkins or paper cups or something like that up there. Something that's not very breakable, so if it falls out, wouldn't hurt anything. Okay, so now time to put the microwave back in, and we'll be done. And so it was kind of like wasted space. So I took the panel out and I put a shelf in there, and it's actually removable if you need to. But we keep our trays and baskets up there.